Hi again. So this is part 2 of the video. I just decided to make another part and figured out a way to show the connections to the receiver. Okay, so channel 1, it will be one of these servos connected to the servo block, to the valve block, I'm sorry. So this is, as you can see here in the camera, this is channel 1. Okay, the blue wire is the signal and it's facing towards the top. Okay, okay. Channel 2, this is channel 3. I believe this is channel 2, which is the elevator. It's connected to the boom or main arm, the big arm, channel 2. This is channel 3. Here, channel 3. This is a small arm. Okay. Now channel 4, it's a slowing motion. Now it will be one of the cables connected to the sound module. So this is channel 4 here, connected to the white wire. Okay, here it is. Just want the wiring to be neat. Okay, I believe it looks good that way. Okay, here it is. Okay, make sure the the signal, the white wire here is the signal wire corresponding to the yellow wire here in this connection. Okay, the second one is the channel 5, which is the pump. Also, it will be one of the cables connected to the signal jumper cables to the sound module. It's the blue wire. Okay, so I have to do, I'm disconnecting the wires now just to make them neater while I connect them to the receiver. It's not because they are wrong or something. Okay, so as you can see here, channel 5 pump. Okay, as you can hear, channel 5 is the pump coming from the ESC connected to the pump motor. Okay, here again. Okay, okay, and this end goes to the receiver, channel 5, the pump. Okay, channel 6. Okay, this is channel 6. It's one of the tracks. It's the right track. It is the right track. Okay, here you see, this is coming from the right track motor ESC. Okay, channel 6. Okay, and this end here, this end here, connected to the red wire. Okay, this end here connected to the red wire coming, this one is coming from the sound module, and this end goes to the receiver. Okay. Channel 7 here, exactly like the other one. Channel 7. This one is coming from the ESC, connected to the left track motor. Okay, it's one of the ones connected to the sound module by the signal jumper cable. Here you see it's the black wire. This black wire coming from the sound module, and this end goes to the receiver, channel 7 here. You can see here channel 7. Sorry, it's out of focus here. Just a second. Okay, channel 7, left track motor. Okay, this is actually, this is connected to channel 8, and it's only, as you can see, it's coming the one controls the lights on and off. It has nothing to do with the sound module. As you can see here, you see this little thing, this is a BAC, I believe, that controls the adjusts the voltage for the lights on and off. Okay, so this one goes to, sorry, channel 8. Okay, has nothing to do with the sound module. Channel 9. Okay, channel 9 is the green wire coming from the sound module, and it's just a single wire here. Out of focus again, sorry. Here, channel 9. Yeah, this is channel 9. Okay. Channel 10 is the yellow wire coming from the sound module. Okay, here it is, channel 10. Excuse me, channel 10. And the last one, this cable is coming from the sound module from the other side, and this is the what powers the sound module. So we connect it to the battery or VCC connection here on the receiver. Okay, as you can see here, and this is the last cable. Okay, so just give me a second. We'll try to test it together. What it just did is this switch, okay? This switch switched off now again. Sounds awesome, huh? Okay, and to the other side is the horn, and this is not even the it's not at the maximum volume. Okay, so let's try turn on the pump. My setup is a little bit different than the excuse me. My setup is a little bit different than the stock configuration that comes from the factory, because I have reconfigured the radio to be like the more expensive models, where the pump is configured on a dedicated switch. So when I turn on this switch, now the pump is turning at an idling speed. It's a low speed, gives a much more realistic, smooth operation, but slower, and I prefer it that way. So now I will turn on the sound again. Okay. There's some small movements here. Wow. Sounds awesome, huh? Okay. And this slowing motion here. The tracks. Okay, I hope this is enough now. Okay, so switch off the pump as well. Okay.